I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for the Fall Foliage and Centerpiece Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Hosting channels are Jean Home Decor and More, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, At Home with Lisa, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Donna Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. These participating channels and any other participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. A special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for organizing these wonderful fun collaborations. Today I'm going to be doing some decorating in my dining room. I'm going to decorate my dining room table with wonderful fall foliage and white pumpkins. I am so happy you're here today. I had such a wonderful time participating in this really fun collaboration. My dining room table is all decorated now for the upcoming fall season. I'm super excited for you to check out the other channels and all of their wonderful videos. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.